Ready to turn your unwanted items into cash and declutter your space? Let's dive into selling on Facebook Marketplace. First, open your Facebook app and tap the Marketplace icon, usually found at the bottom center of your screen. Once you're in Marketplace, look for the Sell Something button, typically at the top, and tap that. You'll then choose the category that best fits what you're selling. For most things, items is the way to go. Now, it's time for photos. Tap at Photos and select Clear. Let pictures of your item from your phone's gallery show all angles and any important details. Next, fill in your listing details. Give your item a clear, descriptive title for the price. Research similar items on Marketplace to set a competitive rate. Then, write a brief but informative description, including any flaws. Facebook will often autofill your general location. You can edit this if needed. Decide if you're offering pickup, local delivery, or shipping, and select your preferred options. Review everything, then tap Next and finally Publish to get your item live. Once your item is listed, be ready for messages. Potential buyers might ask questions, so be responsive and polite. When someone is interested, chat with them about the item, agree on a price, and arrange a safe meeting place for pickup or delivery. Always prioritize your safety. Once the transaction is complete, mark your item as sold within Marketplace. It's that simple to earn extra cash and refresh your home. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.